So the next version is this one. This is frozen. And plate, put ingredients, right? As you see here, this one is halfly cooked, and this one is raw. Something is half cooked. Put all ingredients on the plate and vacuumed using film. We are saying you know very well about this package, right? It's skin pack and frozen. Let's see the next slide. This product, I was also participating to develop this product. And this is the package. This one, it says anchovy shrimp pasta. Okay? And carton pack, then skin pack here, and sauce. And just tear off this film, and we can find very fresh but frozen shrimp. But let's focus on this garlic. As you see here, half grilled already, right? As a zucchini, fresh. And this shrimp, super fresh. Then put all this ingredient into one pan and stirring about just 5 minutes, then perfectly cooked. Very convenient. And you see here, this one is a regular meal kit box, right? So when we get this meal kit box, we have to prep, we have to wash, and with the trimming. But problem is that always food waste here, right? And this is the usual Korean meal kit. Very convenient, but problem is that too much packaged garbage. The next version here, frozen one. Very fresh, but frozen. And put all ingredient under this plate and film. But maybe you can ask that, okay, this is the cold condition, then we can put all of this ingredient into one package. Is it possible? No. We tried. Problem is that in a cold condition, ingredient, we could find moisture exchange. So going bad, really bad. So it is impossible, almost impossible to put all ingredient into one package in cold condition, impossible. But frozen condition, possible because water is already frozen. No moisture exchange, right? Then garbage, the packaged garbage, there were so many packaged garbage, but in this way, very small amount.
Are you saying that meal kit companies they achieve more sales in this post-COVID situation than before?
Right.
Yeah.
So because of these things, and also this one, usual one is the shelf life is just 1 week. As you know very well, fresh grocery it doesn't have shelf life, but once in manufacturer they use the knife cut, and then it has shelf life just 1 week. Too short, more convenient, but very short shelf life. It's not good, right? But frozen shelf life is 1 year. Let's see this one, right? This is the cold conditions, right? Expiry date 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, and 7 days. But frozen condition or similar menu, 1 year, 9 months, 1 year, 1 year. Much longer shelf life, and as you see, extremely convenient, and no food waste, and no packaged garbage.
So it's very interesting because you're explaining that the meal kit offer has completely evolved due to COVID.
Pardon, once again?
You're explaining that the meal kit offer has completely evolved, completely changed, was transformed after COVID.
Right,
Yeah.
right. But still very fresh and easy to cook, right? So now my final conclusion part is that in Korea, and also we experience very serious sales decrease in the meal kit business, right? To overcome these problems, I want to suggest the solution that the Korean manufacturers they adopted. First, for the longer shelf life, let's go to frozen condition. The problem is that green leaves, it is very difficult to freeze. So we need more R&D, right? Second, we need to focus on more convenience, which means that don't make your customers use knife and peeling, trimming. No. Just provide the most pleasurable the process of cooking, just stirring or frying or boiling.
You said you now need more R&D, so does it mean that you have more and more people,
Process.
more and more processes, and more people in the R&D department? You are hiring more people in the R&D department in order to solve those issues, right?
Yes, we did.
Yeah.
Yeah. And using this kind of the method, we can make less food waste and less packaged garbages. So much more sustainable.
Yeah, it's very different from European Union because you have much more prepped food than we have.
Right. That is the
So
point.
it's totally different. So
It's very different, right?
yeah. Do you have? We have a bit of time for questions from the audience. So please feel free to ask your questions. Sorry for the delay due to the version which was not the updated version. But if you have any questions for Professor Junghoon Moon, yes.
But I'm very sorry that because I prepared lots of the picture of real products, more than 20, but all gone. I'm so sorry. Okay, David.
Thank you so much for your talk.
Thank
I have
you.
a question
Sure.
on because now if you would propose it to have frozen, the issue could be with transportation. Now it's easy to have a cooled car, but now it's frozen, so the cost might be higher. How has it been seen in production-wise, like end to end? To which extent did the prices increase, and
Okay.
and is it also you exclude some products like fresh tomatoes, right, which you wouldn't be tasty as frozen? So how did you approach these kind of problems?
Okay, it's a different situation, I think. First of all, for example, market leader, HelloFresh or Blue Apron, they deliver their own product through UPS or something like that, right? That is regular market business, right? But in Korea, we use retailers. When you go to Garf, and there are monopolies, there are so many good frozen shelf, right? We use, yeah.
Thank you for your answer. Any more questions for Professor Junghoon Moon?
Oh, also I want to talk about one more thing about
Yes,
your
sure.
question. In Korea, now, how can I say? In grocery market, online grocery market, the market penetration is online market groceries higher than 30%. And very quick. For example, at 11 p.m., we order something, and it is delivered to at my door just about 4 hours. So
Wow.
before morning, I can get or deliveries, or frozen or fresh.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Any other questions?
Thank you for the presentation.
Thank you.
Is it more expensive to go to that frozen products for the producer? Is it more expensive?
Good question.
Or because if it's fresh, you don't have to go through like a blast chiller, etc., etc.
This is not mine.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay. In fact, no. Because longer shelf life means that. Yeah. Good.
So we've observed sales increases for.
Now, yeah. So I think that, at the end of this year, the market size in Korea, I mean the milk kit market size in Korea, will increase up to 20%.
Wow, 20%
Than
compared
last
to
year.
Yeah, compared to last year.
Last year.
Not compared to pre-COVID area.
No.
Yeah, okay. We have time for one more question. No? Okay, well, thank you very much for attending this keynote. Sorry for the delay again. And have a nice day. And thank you very
thank
much,
you.
Professor Moon. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.